So this is our backyard. That's where we can, well, it's pretty blurry. Let's clean that off. There. So there's our back door. And normally you'd walk down. And there's our picnic table. It's pretty crazy, some of the snow drifts. I'm standing in snow that's been up to my thighs, the top of my thighs. Here's Diego's car. There's the garage. And I don't know if you can tell, but his car's under there. Let's see. And then there's my car behind his. Yikes. Pretty crazy. There's a garden under there somewhere. You can hear some of the snow blowers. It's still snowing, but it's definitely still snowing. So I think it's hard to tell. See, maybe that's helpful. I'll walk back. There's our balcony. Well, it's not. The first floor balcony. Just completely covered in snow. I'll take you with me as I walk back in. This driveway. Oh, here's the side of the house. That's the tenant's air conditioner. Let's go back inside. Uh-oh, here's where it gets really deep. Let's see. I lost my legs. Oops. Now I really did. Now I'm... Oh man, I think I'm gonna have to climb up. Oh boy. And I'm waist deep. Well, no, I'm thigh deep here. I don't know if you can tell. It's starting to get really windy again too. Okay. I'm just trying to, I don't know if you can see this, but I'm just trying to get to the door. Okay, now I can follow my footsteps. Let's see, from before. Okay. Whoa. An old footstep. There's an old footstep. Now, I think I can start to climb these stairs. Maybe. Let's see. Guess I need to keep it like this. Okay. Let's see if I can find a step. I don't think I'm actually stepping on the steps here, but I'll pretend that I know where they are. I'm going up, so that's good. Ah, look. Pika. Oh, she ran away. Hi, Pika. Pika. I made it up the stairs. Okay, time to go inside. It's cold out here. Hi.
Are you talking to yourself?
I'm taking our video for posterity, of course. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Here we are, safe at home.